Today I'm going to demonstrate the hedge trimmer for the multi-tool by Ego. Hey, the Cox here. Thanks for joining us on Around the Home. Okay guys, I finally got the hedge trimmer attachment for the multi-tool, which you can see is a very cool thing here. Alright, now let's take a look at the regular hedge trimmer in comparison. Okay, here they are side by side. So they have the same length bars. I guess I take that back. The regular hedge trimmer's got a couple inches on this hedge trimmer extension. This hedge trimmer extension has a 1-inch, a 1-inch bar opening for branches, when this one had a 3/4. Now I think they've have an upgraded edition of this which also has a 1-inch. My older one has a 3/4 inch, okay? But the amazing thing about this is it's on the end of a pole, and the pole has adjustable angles here. So you can get over your head and cut the really big bushes down. So check this out, look how high this will get, and then you can even add the extension bar in as well, okay? So I can get quite really high. And you can see, you know, I'm 5'10". You can see this bush is quite a bit taller than me. And so to cut it normally, you have to use a hedge trimmer and a ladder and bend over it and hope I don't fall into the bush while I'm cutting it. This bush was actually so overgrown last fall, it was into my eaves. So I just used the pole saw, you know, the chainsaw at the end, and cut it down, which was kind of really sloppy, but it was better than falling into the bush. But now I've got this, okay? So not only does it have adjustment angle right there, this one here, not unlike the other ones, has two positions that you can lock it in there and there. So you can really kind of get this exactly how you want to hold it, which is really ingenious. So I'm tightening that up right there. I'm locked in, getting ready to use it. I've oiled up the blades, which is really important on this. The hedge trimmer I wasn't really familiar with. I just used a little WD-40, which isn't really thick enough. I just poured a little bit of motor oil on it, or you can use some bar oil for your chainsaw and pour a little bit on here. Pour it on the back side here, let it really fill in between the two blades, and then run it a little bit. Because this really needs to get oiled well so the blades don't grind on themselves, okay? But let's get over here and give this guy a real run. Okay, I think I'm in love. Okay, did you see that? How easy it was to take care of those monster bushes from the ground, okay? Super quick, super easy. I like this so much better than the handheld one. You know, even for doing smaller jobs, I might pull this out just because I like it so much. Get down low, you know, I don't have to bend over. I can just angle it and run it down this way, and up high, just do the same. And you saw how easy it was for me to cut right down the side of the bush with this big old pole. It's like a giant sword, you know, okay, which is perfect for us at Great White Ninja Productions. Okay, we need more sword-like action. Super pumped about this. I'll have more videos with some cleanup challenges that will feature this in the future here. And when I get those made, I'll end up putting those links at the end of this video. But right now, this is just my very first run of it, and super impressed. If you guys haven't gotten any of this Ego equipment, if you're wondering, does this cordless stuff really have the power of gas? Well, I think I just showed you. Has the power of gas with the convenience of batteries. Okay, very awesome equipment. I'm very pleased and just very lucky to be able to have all this equipment so I can show all you viewers out there. So please check out my website to the end of the video here. Well, subscribe to my channel first. Click on that. That always helps out. My website has hundreds of more videos. I have an entire page, my Ego Power Plus, under the product reviews, where you can see all my Ego videos. Really easy to find them all right there. Okay, plus some additional videos over here to check out. Guys, thanks again so much. You have a great one.